Hello and welcome to Guide Glimpse. So in this video, I will teach you all about Fyxer AI, how you can set up that and how you can use that. So simply open this Fyxer AI here. Now we have opened the website here. Now if we talk about how Fyxer works basically inside our Gmail or Outlook. So here you can see that it do draft responses. So whenever you're gonna open any email, you will gonna see there a reply in draft. You can edit that if you want to, otherwise you can send that simply. And it also do shorting emails. So how it do shorting emails, basically here you can see that before that there were so many emails, but after using this Fyxer AI you can see the important one, and in this way you will never gonna miss the important emails. Or if we talk about note taking meetings, basically this Fyxer AI make better note than even human beings. Here you can try this for free, and for free trial you can click on that. Now if you talk about the subscription plans, you can see here the subscription plans. The standard one says almost $28 per month and per user. See the standard plan and you can see the price, you can see their professional plan, and here you can see both these plans prices, and you can see here what features these both plans offer. Now here click on start free trial. You have to first create an account. Here I'm choosing Google. Now here you can see the options categorize inbox. You can enable or disable that, and you can see here also the option called draft replies. You can enable or disable that, it's up to you. Categorize inbox, this Fyxer AI will gonna organize your emails into actionable labels, making it easy for you to spot what you need. And in draft replies, it will gonna replies to your email that require a response using your tone and your language. And here it will also gonna summarize the meetings for you if you want to. Here you can choose whether my meetings, all meetings, or external meetings. Here you can choose all that. You can also enable or disable that. Here after that, connect your Gmail. You can connect your Gmail here, or you can connect your Outlook here. I'm connecting my Gmail here. Now you have to give permission to this Fyxer AI. Now here you can see that we are on a free trial, and after that we have to buy the subscription here. You can accept the offer if you want to. You can also connect your Zoom here if you want to. I'm skipping it for now. And here you can see that they are categorizing our email. And here you can simply upgrade by clicking on this upgrade option here. And here you will gonna see their monthly and their yearly packages. You can see that in the yearly packages they offer 1 month free, and you can see all their packages here. Now here I have opened my Gmail. Now if I click on these 3 lines in the top, you can see here, you can see in the bottom the option called labels. These are the options that have been added after connecting Fyxer AI to my Gmail. Here you can see one-to-one response. In one-to-one response you can see the most important Gmails, and in 2FI you can see all the important things here as well. And in comments you can see all the comments that you have received. In notification you can receive all the notifications from different apps or different things. In meeting updates you can see all the meeting updates here. In awaiting replies you can see all the awaiting replies, and in actionated you can see all the emails that are in action. And in marketing you can see all the marketing emails that are basically from different websites. Like if I open here, you can see that this is from Pinterest. Pinterest told us to update our profile. This is basically marketing here from Canva, telling us then you can try that and all things. And that was all about how you can use Fyxer and how you can add Fyxer to your Gmail. If you find this video useful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.